Ready to bring your web design dreams to life? First, head over to Adobe.com, where you will need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Keep in mind that Dreamweaver is a subscription-based software. Navigate to the Creative Cloud plans to find Dreamweaver. Choose a plan that suits your needs, such as the single app option or the entire suite. Before downloading, make sure your computer meets the system requirements. You'll find these listed on the Adobe website. Once you've subscribed, download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is your gateway to installing Dreamweaver. Open the Creative Cloud app and find Dreamweaver in the list of available applications and click Install. The installation process will take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. After installation, launch Dreamweaver, and you might be prompted to import settings from previous versions, if applicable. Take some time to explore the interface, familiarize yourself with the code view, design view, and live view, and you're ready to start building amazing websites.